What if I told you that this tiny box could replace your desktop, handle your daily work, stream 4K content, edit videos, and even play games, all while staying whisper quiet? This is the GEEKOM A5 Pro 2026 edition, and it's a refresh of a classic, the GEEKOM A5. And today we're going to be going over it, what it is, the specs, and how great it is in 2026 with some improved specs for a more budget-friendly option. Let's dive in. So the box is really nice with these nice colors and a look of the model on the side. They also include the specs on the back. So for the specs, the CPU is an AMD Ryzen 5 7530U. The memory is 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory, and the storage is a terabyte of M.2 SSD. Inside of the box is really straightforward. You have the GEEKOM PC front and center, and it's a really nice feel. And it looks pretty similar to the A8, which I have here for comparison. Now, under the box is a really nice thank you note to all of the customers. Very nice touch. And there's some GEEKOM instructions in here, which is really important because if you're somebody who wants to upgrade this PC, specifically the memory or the storage, there are instructions step by step on how to get inside of the PC. And then we have our basic cables, the HDMI cable, power cable, and then the power bank. But one thing that is included that a lot of people don't notice is the VESA mount bracket and screws in case you wanted to mount this to the back of your monitor. And that's pretty much it. It's very straightforward, clean packaging. And now we're ready to hook this thing up and go forward with the review. First impressions, this computer feels premium. The A5 Pro 2026 edition measures 11.2 by 11.2 by 3.6 centimeters. Small enough to sit in the palm of your hand, but unlike many plastic PCs, this one is a full all-metal chassis. And yes, that matters. The reinforced inner metal frame improves the structural durability, long-term reliability, and the thermal stability. This isn't a disposable gadget. It feels like a serious long-term desktop replacement. The matte industrial finish also blends perfectly into home office setups, creative studios, and minimal desk builds. It looks understated, clean, and most of all, professional. Now let's talk power. Inside the A5 Pro 2026 edition is the AMD Ryzen 5 7530U, part of the Ryzen 7 series lineup. You're getting 6 cores, 12 threads, boost speeds up to 4.5 gigahertz, integrated Radeon graphics. Basically, for everyday productivity, this thing is going to be fantastic. Office multitasking, smooth. Heavy Chrome sessions with 20 plus tabs, no problem. Spreadsheets, presentations, video conferencings, stable even during the longest of sessions. It's going to be fantastic for pretty much anything. Now, compared to laptops, it's going to run more consistently under heavy loads. There's no battery throttling and better under sustained cooling. And compared to full desktops, it takes a fraction of the space and a lot less power. So this is going to be more powerful than your laptop, but more portable than your desktop. The perfect middle ground. For modern workspaces and minimalistic workspaces, this is legitimately a desktop replacement. Thanks to the Radeon graphics, this is going to handle 4K video playback effortlessly. Streaming platforms like YouTube, Disney Plus, or Spotify easily. They all run smooth and quietly. If you wanted to, you could hook it up to a TV via one of the HDMI 2.0 ports, and this becomes a powerful home entertainment hub. And because it's energy efficient and stays under 30 decibels, it won't sound like a jet engine in your living room. So perfect for the family. Now here's where things get interesting. For creators, the A5 Pro is going to perform confidently in all of Adobe, that's Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere Pro, and CapCut. Although I used it mostly in DaVinci, you can comfortably edit full HD footage and even light 4K projects. Plus, it supports dual 4K displays, which dramatically improves productivity. One screen for your timeline, one for preview. It's a huge difference and a game changer. For YouTubers, photographers, or content creators, this is going to be a monster. Now for my live streamers, you're covered too. The 6-core, 12-thread CPU handles OBS Studio, and you can run a full stream to Twitch. And yes, light gaming on this is going to work surprisingly well too. Things like Hollow Knight, Balatro or any indie game is pretty much going to run smoothly at 1080p with moderate settings. So while this isn't a hardcore AAA gaming rig, it is going to absolutely handle all of the casual and indie titles. Despite its size, the I/O selection is quite impressive. In the front, you're going to have two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A supports, one that supports power delivery, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a power button. On the side, you're going to have an SD card reader, and in the back, you're going to have a USB 3.2 port, a USB 2.0 port, two USB-C ports, two HDMI 2.0 ports, and a 2.5GB LAN port, as well as the DC input for power. This is much better connectivity than any laptop, and the memory is upgradable to 64GB and the storage expands to 3TB, so this machine can grow with you. Now, as far as the connectivity, this is going to have 2.5GB Ethernet and Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. So whether you're streaming 4K content, collaborating in the cloud, or transferring large files, connectivity is fast and stable. And one of the biggest improvements over the original A5 is going to be the upgraded Ice Blast 3.0 cooling system. This keeps everything stable under heavy load, even during extended heavy workloads. Temperatures are going to remain controlled and noise is going to stay below about 30 decibels. This means it's going to stay whisper quiet no matter what you throw at it. Now, as far as the quality and warranty, before shipping, each unit undergoes 1,000 plus tests, including full stress load testing, high and low temperature testing, and port durability cycles. It comes back with a 3-year limited warranty from GEEKOM, meaning that they are confident that this product is going to handle anything you throw at it for many years to come. So honestly, the sweet spot is going to be 16GB of RAM and 1TB SSD. That's going to be perfect for 95% of users without overspending on unused performances. So this is probably the best budget mini PC that you can get in 2026 with great Ryzen performance, a premium all-metal build, strong cooling, excellent connectivity, upgrade flexibility, and a 3-year warranty. The GEEKOM A5 Pro 2026 edition might just be the smartest compact PC investment you can make this year. Compact in size, powerful in compatibility, and built for the long run. Like they say, think PC, think GEEKOM. So let us know in the comments, would you replace your desktop with the mini PC like this?